Let's learn some more science. How about it? Are you ready for science? I'm loving the science that we're doing. A lot of good review. You're doing a great job on it. Today we're going to talk about this word right here. Can you say it? Photosynthesis. We've talked about it several times. We're going to go back and review it today in some fun ways. So let's go through slides here. First, you're going to have a song, a photosynthesis song. Let's take a look at this. Is hard to see, I guess, right in the recording, but the things that I want you to really remember today as you're learning about photosynthesis are what 3 things a plant needs for photosynthesis and what 2 things a plant gives off during photosynthesis. So if you look at the bottom, this is actually the scientific formula for photosynthesis. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O will give you C6H12O6, which is sugar, and 6O2, which is oxygen. So carbon dioxide and water and sunlight all together combine during photosynthesis to produce sugar and oxygen. So we know plants make their own food. They're producers. We've been learning about that. They produce their own food. Only plants can do that. You and I can't produce our own food. We can't grow a stalk of corn out of our ear or anything like that, but plants can. They can produce vegetables. They can produce fruits. They can produce beans and all these wonderful things that we like to eat. And so they produce that in the form of sugar and oxygen. Of course, we like to breathe. I like to breathe. How about you? So we need that oxygen that plants give off during photosynthesis. And so this song, it's not complicated. It looks like it would be a hard song, but it's actually a very easy song. And so you'll listen to a song to begin the lesson in a minute. And then we'll go to, well, maybe slide 3. Come on. It's wanting to play the songs for you. All right. And then we've got a little video on photosynthesis. And so it's a pretty simple video. I think it's about 3 or 4 minutes long to give you some more facts and information about photosynthesis, reminding you that it needs sun and water and carbon dioxide to produce sugar and oxygen. And then after you listen to that little video, you've got a link here. And so this is a really cool link. I enjoyed watching this myself. I watched it just for fun as I was getting this lesson ready for you. Did you ever think that photosynthesis affects what you eat? It really does. So if you click on this link, you're going to see a recipe like a cooking show. Let me see if it'll take you to it while I'm watching it here. Sure, it will. All right. So when you get to this page right here, when you click on that link, it looks like a cooking show video, but it's actually about photosynthesis, and it's also got some fractions in it for math. So it's about 8 minutes long, but I want you to watch this. You might want to get your mom to watch it with you. She might cook you this delicious salmon for supper tonight if you watch this video. But it talks about photosynthesis and measuring and fractions, a lot of great information in this recipe. So you'll get to do that. Let's go back to our other screen here. So just click on that link to go there. After you do that, then you've got one more little photosynthesis song to listen to. And same thing. It's the things I want you to know, that plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide, and oxygen, and that they give off sugar and, I said they need oxygen. They need carbon dioxide and sunlight and water, and they give off sugar and oxygen. So make sure you got those things down. You're going to hear some more information about how photosynthesis happens in the leaves of the plant. So we need to know that. So make sure you listen carefully. After you finish all the slides, I'm going to have a little 10-question quiz on photosynthesis. It's all stuff that you'll learn by watching all these slides today, okay? And that will count as a grade. So make sure you watch all the slides so you can make 100 on it. I'll let you get to watching these slides. You're going to like them, and you're going to like the songs and the videos, especially the cooking video. All right, have fun watching them, and we'll talk more about photosynthesis later.